Hello, you're welcome to another interesting topic on how to use animal blood meal to prepare your poultry and livestock feed. Animal blood meal is a very rich crude protein product in any livestock feed. We have the animal blood meal, we have the animal meat and bone meal, and we have the animal feather. That is the feather. Feather meal is a very good source of protein. Bone and meat meal is another good source of protein, and blood meal, which is what I'm going to discuss in this particular content. Blood meal is rich in crude protein. It has between 85 to 90% crude protein. It has methionine, it has lysine, it has other minerals and vitamins that make it very rich and very good for any livestock meal. In this particular content, I want to share with you how to process it and all the nutritional values it has a livestock bed or your poultry bed. Before I go in, please, I want to address one issue. Try and share any of our video. You come across any of our video, please try and share it to your groups, to your platforms. It costs a lot of money and time to prepare a document or to document a content like this and bring it to you people. And the only thing I deserve, the only thing I derive, the only thing I ask for is just to share it to other groups you belong, so that this will reach more farmers. It will help them. You have gained this knowledge free. Please share it to others at the same time, so that let them get the same knowledge. Expand this family. This is a global family, and the only way we can contribute our quota in growing the family is to making sure that every content delivered or uploaded in this particular platform reach others. Please help us and do that. If you want us to continue bringing a very good or good content, always share the content to others. Once I see the number of shares, number of likes, number of comments, that will encourage me to bring more content. I have many in stock. Please, thank you very much. If you are a poultry farmer and you don't know how to preserve or how to prepare this meal, it is very, very unfortunate. Just watch this video from beginning to end. Don't skip any portion of this video. And at the end, I'm going to include a very good feed formula that will require the use of this meal to do what? Prepare your fish, chicken, or any livestock feed at all. So watch the video to the end. You'll see a very good feed formula that I've been using, that has been working for me, giving me a massive weight. If you want your broiler to get a very massive weight, this is what you do. This is what you use. This is what you prepare and use to boost them. If you can't prepare it, look for where you buy it or who will do it for you. Thank you. Watch the video. At the end of this video, comment, like, share. And at the same time, if you have any question, any confusion in this particular content, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm glad and I will be glad to do or to respond to you. Thank you. Happy viewing. I love you all. Now the cooking process is going through. We are now passing through the cooking process. You can see it on the pot. Yeah, we're cooking it. After the cooking now, we now sun dry it. Sun dry it very well. Don't use oven. Use sun to dry it properly well. After drying it, you can see how it looks like. Very strong, very stony in form. After sun drying, we now bag it, package it. Whenever you want to use it, you now send it to a machine. Now see the crushing process starting now. We're now crushing it right now. After crushing, the next thing you do is to use your feed formula and prepare your feed with it. It has 90% crude protein. For more information on how to do this, watch the full video on the video list. This is ordinary reel. It is very short. Please share this video and ask me on the comment section. I will direct you on how to go about it. Now, having known how to process this meal, let me briefly give you the nutritional value of this meal that will encourage you to make use of it in poultry feed formulation. let me call it the hemoglobin meal, but it is the liquid that drops once an animal is slaughtered in abattoir or slaughterhouse. It is a protein-rich ingredient that can be used in poultry feed to provide essential nutrients. The nutritional value of this meal can vary slightly based on its sources and processing methods. Generally, the meal from different animals such as cattle, pigs, poultry, sheep, and the rest, like goats, they may have similar nutritional profiles, but there can be some variations. Let me now briefly give you some of the nutritional contents. It is a highly concentrated source of protein, typically containing about 80 to 90% crude protein. The protein in this meal is considered to be of the high organic and biological value, meaning it provides a good balance of essential amino acids. It is rich in amino acids including lysine and methionine, which are crucial for poultry growth, development, and overall health. It has minerals. The meal is a good source of minerals such as iron, zinc, phosphorus, and copper. These minerals play vital roles, very essential one, in various physiological functions, including bone development, enzyme activity, and overall metabolism. It has vitamins. The vitamin content is not only significant, but it is a source of vitamin B and vitamin B12. It has fat, though the fat is generally low, making it a suitable protein source for poultry diet without contributing excessively to dietary fat levels. It is palatable. The meal is often palatable to poultry, which can encourage feed intake. May I inform you that this meal is a valuable protein source. It is usually used in combination with other feed ingredients to formulate a balanced diet for poultry. Proper processing and storage of this meal are essential to maintain its nutritional quality. Additionally, the inclusion level in the diet should be carefully monitored to avoid any negative effects on feed palatability and overall diet formulation. What it means is that it has an inclusion rate. Generally, the inclusion rate is between 10 to 15% in every poultry feed processing. Please, a content like this costs huge amount of expenses to produce. The only love you can show this particular platform is to share this video to reach other farmers that may need this particular content. Share it, like, and comment. And if you have any further clarification, ask in the comment section. One good thing about this meal is that it is cost effective and it has very high good protein. It has lysine. It has methionine. This lysine is responsible for the growth, and methionine is also responsible for weight in poultry and livestock animals. So if you apply this, you are going to get an astounding and unimaginable result in both broiler and egg laying birds. A kilo of methionine alone is almost $4, almost 4,000 naira in this country, in Nigeria. So you can see what you are saving. Methionine is almost 5,000 naira. The vitamin and mineral premise is above 5,000 naira also. So you can see this particular meal has all this in abundance. Even with this meal alone, you may not need to add extra lysine and methionine. Please try and share this video. Just encourage this particular platform and the sacrifice I make to bring this to you. Thank you.